In this video, I'm going to be building this computer. This was a budget gaming computer that I'm making to play some more modern titles than my current computer, which is about 10 years old. So I've got two 4 gig modules of DDR4 RAM clocked at 2400 megahertz. We've also got an AMD Ryzen 5 2600 CPU that is about 3 years old, I believe, or 2018. And then we've got this full-sized MSI ATX motherboard. We've got a 1060 GPU, which is also a couple years old, but honestly, for my budget, this thing will work. And then we've got a new SATA 3 SSD. This is 480 gigs and should be plenty for what I'm using. I've also got some Arctic Silver 5 thermal paste and a used AMD stock CPU cooler that should do the job just fine. And that's the mounting bracket for it behind the motherboard. This is the case I have for it. I don't know, I think it's called a Fantech or something, but I really like the color combo. And it even has a glass side panel and this kind of cool front panel on it. Just really clean, simple, small. I like it. But yeah, so this is the case it's all going to go into. And then finally, what I have here is a power supply of 450 watts. I believe it's bronze rated. So it's EVGA. So I think it'll do the job just fine. And we will get started. So stay tuned. guys, so we just got this thing powered on for the first time, and it's super exciting and boring at the same time because we are installing Windows, doing Windows 10, 64-bit Pro, and so yeah, so this is the build, and I just used some plastic ties to hold this stuff down, just trying to make it look a little bit nicer, and yeah, and so I also don't actually have the back plate for this thing, so it's just gonna be open on the back, which is, you know, better for cooling, I guess. But yeah, just tried to do a basic job with the cable management back there, and just see if I can give you guys a little peek of that. But yeah, got everything tucked away as nicely as I could, and right now she's just installing Windows, so I think we're about done here, and I can start playing some games on this and finally have a decent modern computer. So thanks all for watching.